create a ceiling, you're going to want to be in a floor plan view. Then go to Architecture tab, Ceiling. You can change the type of ceiling that you want. This is a commercial ceiling, this is a residential ceiling. And then you're going to want to go to Sketch Ceiling. And you have a few options. You can either use the line tool. We always want our ceilings on the inside of our walls. Or I can hit Escape and use the Pick Walls tool and pick on the inside of my walls. So you want those pink lines wrapping around. You'll notice it gave me a little extension here. I can use my corner command to then make that a nice corner, because otherwise I'll get an error. And everything looks good. So once you have that, hit your green check mark and it will make your ceiling. So I can go to 3D view to see that, and there is my ceiling. Okay, you can move your ceiling up by just clicking on it and changing the height offset. So maybe I want it at 19. Hit apply, and you can move it up.